Maghuhukay tayo para sa ating guwapogi. This is our guwapogi. Tatanin natin for today's vlog. December 25. Boom! We have a new guwapogi. Yan. Laki na ng guwapogi, oh. Alright. We have to undercover them. Yan. Our guwapogi. Hopefully, by the next 2 years, this will grow and nurture the earth. Yan. Bigyan natin ng tree guard. Okay. Bigyan natin. Kapaligo na rin. Sa lupa. Right, we have a beautiful waffle. Yan, oh, tangkad na ng guwapogi ko, ah. Alright. Isipin na lang kung ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Alright. Ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sindot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama